stringer line. This morning we're gonna go out and do a little mowing. Well, I'll be helping the guys with the big properties, and then once we get done with that, I've got to come back and get some stuff done in the office. It's in the back of the truck. This here, yeah, just. So, we'll get fuel, and we'll stop at Hennings as we put that thing back. And we'll head out to the. Alright guys, so we got our Quick Cat Predator Pro, and then our Bobcat, the new Bobcat commercial 21 walk behind. Alright guys, so we are gonna run over to Hennings quick, drop off that glass whatever frame for the Bobcat that we broke yesterday or the day before. We need to get a new glass replacement put on it, which is going to cost about, I think, $300, but it needs to get done. So look at that thing. We need a new glass, Bill. Michael's bringing it in.
A new what?
Glass.
My door? No, yours.
My door.
Oh, your door. Yeah.
No, not yours.
No, not yours.
Off the track loader.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
That it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we'll finish the mowing tomorrow morning.
Okay.
First thing in the morning.
If I need the tea, I'll have to run up and get it. But
Yeah, it's right by the pond.
yeah.
Okay.
I'm not going to fill up with it.
No, I don't think so. I don't think so.
Yeah. Make sure you don't wash them away.
Yeah. can't, you know, just leave it over there. I'll hit up the rest of this on the side of the hill here.
Can you get that part too then? That edge or?
No, I'll get that edge there. I'll climb it there. Alright guys, so we have this left, the pond, and a little bit up there in that area. And then we got Keaton trimming. So, yeah. Alright guys, it is July 10th and it is raining again. You guys get rained out?
Yeah, talk to you about some, ask what we should do.
Okay. Where's Michael? Is he in the bathroom?
I think he's in the bathroom, yeah.
What, did you buy one or what? Michael get you one?
I got bit in the lip, so I had to go buy one.
How much is that?
$7.
$7. Huh?
$7.
Man.
Small spend.
Does it work pretty good?
Yes, it does.
Bugs are horrible, guys. Man. So, oh, and this rain's gonna let up. Rain, the water was going down, you guys. July 7th and 8th, it came up pretty good. Went down about a foot and a half, 2 feet, maybe. So, it was right up to the, shed there, but now we're getting more rain. Man, the guys cleaned that up pretty good. We had a bunch of small little projects going on, but hopefully it stops raining. can't believe they sell that thing. You got a black one?
I bought mine at Walmart.
This one's nicer.
How much did you pay at Walmart? $2.
That was $7.
$7?
Worth it.
Is it nicer? Is
Oh,
it the
yeah.
same?
I got
No, mine don't have no rim or nothing.
this is like a robbing mask. Mine's got a hat and everything.
Oh, you don't have that flat thing on top.
But I can put mine in the back pocket. It's all good.
I hooked mine to my belt.
I'll show you how to change these blades.
When it rains, the guys do maintenance on the equipment and stuff around the shop. Here we got a lot, like the trucks. The dually needs an oil change. Dump truck needs an oil change. Blades change on the mowers. Alright, so Keaton's getting training on changing the blades, guys. Michael just rolls it up on this ramp. And then... Is that pretty caked up under there too, Michael?
Yeah, much better.
This back, you guys, back of this laundromat, we gotta make this as low maintenance as possible so we don't have to keep weeding this place. And we have some cornflowers and stuff here, you guys, but we trim this every year. So what I'm planning on doing is backfilling it just like this up here, all the way down that way. And then we're gonna move some of these trees. These are nice, you guys. I put these in years ago, and they are coming up good. I like them. The bottom will bear root, I think. Yeah. So we gotta just keep this really as low maintenance as possible, just because we don't have time to do a lot of maintenance around the shop. And then over here, I'm going to put a patio and stuff here, build a little seating area right here. Eventually, I mean, it's just finding that time, you guys. Finding that time, you know?